Hi, I'm Willie, and this is my husband Hamza. We got married a couple years ago on a K-1 visa. He's from Morocco, and when he came over, we decided that we wanted to be entrepreneurs and set ourselves up for our financial future, to be independent, to be able to take care of ourselves, and also for our families. He ended up finding Etsy at the end of last year, right around the same time I was also part of the tech layoffs. So we thought it would be a great opportunity to take that plunge. So we went on this journey, started looking into YouTube videos and everything that's on Google, which there's a whole lot of information, as you all know. It's very, very challenging. We didn't do very well at all. So in March, I ended up finding Dylan and immediately could resonate with her videos and everything that she was sharing. So I reached out to her and she wrote back same day. But I didn't take that plunge to set up a meeting with her. It took about 2 months before I did, and I did email her a couple times, and she was so patient with me each time. I finally had that call with her in May, and I'm so glad I did because we clicked instantly. And you just have to trust your instincts sometimes, and that's what I did. We signed up for the program, and it's been the best decision ever. Since signing up, we've had access to not only her coaching, but all of her resources. We have more than doubled our sales, and we are surrounded by this community of like-minded entrepreneurs. It's been an amazing experience, and we couldn't recommend her enough. The one thing I could say to everyone is if you want to be a professional singer, you need to hire a coach. If you want to be a professional soccer player, you have to hire a coach. If you want $1 million results on Etsy, you need to hire a coach and someone who knows what they're doing. So I highly recommend Dylan. And if there's anything that I regret that we didn't do soon enough, it's that I didn't take that plunge sooner and wish we would have. So definitely recommend her.